A through-mortise is a great way to join pieces of wood together for a strong joint or to create a middle shelf using a dowel. First, mark out the location of your through-mortise, making sure that it's centered in the lumber that you're going to be using. To cut out these pass-throughs, we can use a drill bit to start, then use a jigsaw to trace out the lines that we created. Just be sure to keep the cuts as square as possible and use a straight edge if needed. Once your hole is cut, you can use some sandpaper to smooth out the interior surface, which will allow the board to pass through a little easier. The fit may be a little snug depending on how you drilled your pass-throughs, so a rubber mallet may be needed for assembly. When using this process to create a middle shelf, you can use a dowel in the middle of your lumber to add extra support for the piece. To create the hole for our dowels, I'll measure the middle of my shelf board and use a 1-inch spade drill bit to bore out the hole. Next, you can reinstall your middle shelf board using the through tenon that we created and install a wood dowel for extra support.